PMDC motor kit. So this is a complete Alderbrand kit, conversion kit, coming with the inbuilt with the battery backup. So with the 10 Ah battery, 24 volt. Next thing will be the throttle connections. So this throttle connections we are including the number will be given. This third 323 connector will be going for the
247, 276, 312, 332, 368. Okay. So maximum I have driven acceleration.
Hi, hello, welcome to Surya Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the complete kit of Alderbrand PMDC motor kit. So this is a complete Alderbrand kit, conversion kit, coming with the inbuilt with the battery backup. So with the 10 Ah battery, 24 volt 10 Ah battery we will giving along with this kit. So this is a complete branded Alderbrand kit. So we taking an official announcement that we taking an authorized distributor of all the Alderbrand hub motor kits and as well as PMDC motor kits. We have all the cycle variant kits from the Alderbrand, and also we have the hybrid conversion, Activa conversion kit from the Alderbrand. So complete with warranty we are providing. So that is what the ultimate advantage of buying the Alderbrand kits. So convert your normal cycle to an electrical cycle. So this is the very basic conversion kit starting from 24 volt PMDC motor kit. So this is a very basic conversion kit from Alderbrand 24 volt 250 watts PMDC motor. Okay, coming along with the lithium ion battery 24 volt 10 Ah battery backup we are providing. Okay, so from this you can run up to the mileage you are getting 20 to 25 kilometers. So in the normal cycle, if you are converting into electrical cycle, you can get a mileage of 25 km from this Alderbrand hub mode, the PMDC motor kit. Okay, so within this you can convert your normal cycle to an electrical cycle. So all the types of Alderbrand we taking the distributorship, we giving you an official announcement that Alderbrand is launching the new variants of cycles. So from the starting from children's to we have all the higher end models. So the rider bikes, the rider kind of cycles, and also mountain hills riders, and also we have starting from 8 different models, or basically we have started with the Alderbrand kits. So if you want the complete electrical cycle, it is available in our website with the ECMA option. So right now the summer sale is being started from this May. So make use of the offer and you can purchase from our website swesonlinestore.com. Okay. So coming to this video, so this is the completely PMDC motor kit 24 volt, completely Alderbrand kit. So each and every accessories will coming along with this Alderbrand. So based on that, so we are unboxing. So remaining set of the mounting and the remaining every set will be available in the box, so don't worry. So for this demo I am just showing this video as a full length video, so don't skip the video, you can watch it fully. So in this particular video we are explaining you the full kit details, so connection segment and as well as the testing and demo part. Okay, coming to the full kit details. So in the full kit details, so we giving you the Alderbrand the PMDC motor kit. So coming with the brand of Alter. Okay, this is the complete geared motor. So this is the very basic conversion kit with Alderbrand. See, so 24 volt, rated speed will be 3000 RPM. So and the output power will be 250 watts. Current rating will be 13.4 ampere. Okay, this is the full and fully coming with an Alderbrand. Okay, next thing will be the controller. Coming to the controller part, this also Alderbrand. So this is having the DC 24 volt input voltage and the output power will be 250 volts. Okay, so on the remaining set we giving you 2 sets of brakes. This is 2 set of metal brakes we are providing, and also we providing you the very good throttle, power key switch and charging keys, and also headlight cum horn switch. So we giving you headlight, horn, and also the battery level can be displayed in this particular headlights. Okay, so remaining all things, the mounting plate, chain, everything will be available. It is inside the box, so don't worry for that, you don't get confused. Okay, so now let's move on to the second segment, that is connection segment. connection segment, let's move on to the connection segment. Okay, so starting from the connection segment, so we having the motor connection from the controller to the motor. So there will be the black and red wire will be directly going to the controller, blue and yellow. Okay, black to yellow and blue to red. Okay, and next set will be the direct 24 volt input voltage from the battery. Okay, this is the red color will be the plus 24 volt, black one will be the minus 24 volt. We are providing the supply. And next thing will be the throttle connections. So this throttle connections we are including the number will be given. This third 3 to 3 connector will be going for the acceleration. So this is green to green, black to black and red to red, color to color connections. Okay, next set will be the number 2 connections, that is going to the power key switch. Okay, so this one will be the blue to black and pink to red. Okay, this is the number 2 connector. Okay, and next set will be the fourth connector is usually going for the brakes. Okay, usually the fourth number will be going for this brake switches, 2 brakes, left and right. So red color to yellow and black to black. Okay, remaining thing, last thing will be the headlight cum horn. So this pink color wire to red and black to black. Okay, this is the number 5. Okay, connector number will be 5, and the remaining 2 sets we giving an empty. There will be no use of connecting the controller. Okay, so this is all about the very basic connections. Everyone can do these kinds of connections with a normal project that you are doing to convert your normal cycle to an electrical cycle. So this is the very basic kit coming along with the battery. So this having the offer price right now we are providing. So check our website swesonlinestore.com. Okay, so now let's move on to the final segment, that is testing and demo. So in the testing and demo we can accelerate the motor and see how good the RPM will be achieved in this particular motor. Now let's move on to the video of connection segment. Okay, so this is the digital tachometer coming with the non-contactless tachometer. So based on this we will giving you the exact RPM that we are going to raise the acceleration, we can see. Okay, so we can turn on, turn off and turn on the power supply. So now we are going to accelerate. This is the acceleration. So I am going to raise the acceleration. You can see the motor is rotating. See, the motor is rotating. So right now this laser light will be blinking. So within this laser light the indications and the RPM will be calculated accordingly. See, so from starting you can see starting from 100 RPM, 105, 158, 206, 247, 276, 312, 332, 368. Okay, so maximum I have did an acceleration. You can see 368 RPM will be achieved. So in the company, the nameplate details, it can be identified only 300 RPM, but it can be achieved 368 RPM. So this motor will be basically a 250 watts motor. You can get the output RPM of 360. So it is equivalent to the 24 volt 350 watts motor. So that is what we are highly recommended to go for the Alter brand PMDC motor kits. Okay. So in the branded motors we can get an exact, not an exact, we can get an additional RPM that the company is being promised. Okay, you can get an additional. So you can get a maximum 250 watts motor, you can get a motor of 350 watts. Okay, so this is the complete brand of Alter brand. So that is why we are highly recommended to purchase from our online website with the easy EMI option. Okay, so that's all. So how good you can see. So many of the people are watching, kindly subscribe to our channel. So you can share to your friends, neighbors and etc. So in the future we have to come the new brands. It is getting launched by the Alter brand. So and we are taking an official distributor from the Alter brand. So kindly place your order within 4 to 5 working days. The order will be delivered to your address. So check our proof of delivery section, that the previous material, how we are getting dispatched to our previous orders. So check and place order from our online website, swesonlinestore.com. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.